Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a public playlist on YouTube. Let's start. At first you have to tap on your YouTube app. Then if you tap on library options, if you have a playlist of your, then you can tap on the playlist or you can make a new playlist. As you guys can see that this playlist is right now private. If you guys want to make your playlist public, then tap on the pencil icon. Then you guys can see this option, privacy. Now if you tap on here, then you guys can see that they have three options, that public, unlisted or private. If you tap on public option, then your playlist will be public. If you tap on here, then they will make your playlist to public. So this is how you can make a public playlist on your YouTube channel. See how easy it is. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.